Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix mouse cursor disappears when playing games in full screen mode. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open mouse settings. Click Pointer Options, uncheck Display Pointer Trails, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Select Recommended under Scale. Third method is right-click Games Application Shortcut, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab, check Run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 7, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is type System Configuration in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.